G'day everyone again. I I used to work out on a farm. I was there for 5 years. This is the road out to Corinda. It's mostly cattle and sheep country as well as cotton. Yeah, this was the yard. That's the river there, the Macquarie River. We had 3 tractors. There's only 2 of them here today, but it's a 8650 and a 7230. This cotton's almost ready, and same cotton has been defoliated. They spray it with sort of something makes the leaves fall off, or like it kills it, sort of thing. Yeah, then they harvest it. The cotton must just roll around and round and round in the back. It's got these big rubber belts, and then when it gets big enough, it wraps it and spits it out the back, and then drops it on the ground. Normally they drop it at the end, but he knew I was watching him, so. And this was my job: pick up these bales and take them down the other end. They were just starting, and they didn't need me because they had another driver there. They'd like to get a bit ahead. We had 2 tractors picking up the bales.
Brown snake. Trying to get down a hole.
Yeah, there was a brown snake. Get a few snakes out there. He was trying to get down this crack, but that's as far as he could get in there, I think. Yeah. But they're pretty deadly, them things, and they're aggressive too. They blend in a bit. I'm filling up not filling it up, but putting diesel into it, a bigger tank at the pump site. Pumped it up there, yeah. Came along that channel there and then pump it up into this other channel. Obviously irrigating at the time. And I learnt to fly my drone, and I learnt to use this excavator. It's a 22-ton Hitachi. Yeah, that was fun. Yeah, black snakes out there too, red bellies. But they're not too bad though. They're not as aggressive as the brown ones. They normally take off. This was a diamond python. They're pretty harmless, although they'll probably bite you. Wouldn't like to get bitten by them. They're not venomous. Probably strangle you if they had the chance. It's only a small one. Get bigger than that. This is a machine that makes the rotor bucks, or rotor bucks, and you call them rotor bucks. It's to do with the operation of the machine. Hydraulically operated there. You can see in the middle. This is me starting the siphons. If the water's high enough off the field, you only generally need 2 or 3 pumps. One, two pumps. 1, 2, yeah. This is from the chess game. Sorry about the wind noise on this, but you can hear I left the sound in because you can hear the sound of the pipe when it. And this last one was a bit hard to start because of the turbulence there. Oh, not turbulence, but I was trying to go through the rear. Then you have to stop it. It was harder than starting them sometimes.